Everyone, this is me, Gleb. One moment. This is me, Gleb, and I'm glad to meet you. By the way, Gleb sounds like clap, and that's like sometimes they write my name in Starbucks, and I've seen a lot of different spelling of my name. Gleb, clap, I don't know, you name it. It's just a huge list. And I decided to I decided to start to do streams without a 5-minute introduction with music, because I don't like it. I like to start stream right on time, you know. And today I'm on my own because ChatGPT is not working. They are at their limit of capacity today, and I just cannot log in. Let's try it one more time. Maybe it will accept me. Let's do this. Yep. Oh yeah. Whew. I'm saved. Cool. Because without ChatGPT, I'm nothing, literally. Because I'm not really good at Linux, you know. And this stream is about Linux, and I'm just trying to pass through this game, you know. I want to solve it, to see what kind of concepts of security or Linux I do not know. And also I did it because it's just fun, yes, and my Linux skill is very rusty. I haven't done something with Linux for a long time, so that's fun for me. Let's come back to this level, bandit level 16, and where is my console? And maybe I have this password saved. No, unfortunately no. I will take it from the place where I stored it last time. And by the way, maybe it's a good idea to install something like VS Code to connect to this remote servers. It's much more convenient, you see. Let me see. Nano. Yeah, let's use this one. So here I have to, and let's make it bigger. It's bandit 16, bam. Yep, password. Yes, I'm in. Here is the bandit, and here is the task. I stopped here last time because I was tired, and this task looks complicated for me. There are a lot of things to do here. The credentials for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to a port on a local host in the range 31,000 to 32,000. First, find out which of these ports have a server listening on them. Then find out which of those speak SSL, okay, and which don't. There is only one server that will give the next credentials. The others will simply send back to you whatever you send to it. Okay. Interesting. So even if I manage to find these servers which are speaking SSL and which are active, I also should to like go through all of them and find the right server. And the right server just do not return the same password back. So that seems insanely difficult to me. Let's try to break it up on small tasks with ChatGPT, of course. How can I do it? Bam. You can use the command nc zv localhost 31,000 to 32,000 to scan for open ports in the specified range on localhost. The Z flag tells netcat, netcat, cool, that sounds really cool. I'm a netcat, you know, to only scan for open ports and not to actually send any data, while the V flag provides verbose output. Okay, let's try it. Okay, let's read it till the end at first. To check which of the open ports use SSL, you can use the command OpenSSL as client -connect localhost port, where port is the specific port number. With this will connect to the server using SSL and display information about the SSL certificate, including whether or not the connection was successful. Okay. Once you find the server that speaks SSL and has the right credentials, you can use the command OpenSSL client connect localhost port to connect to the server and retrieve the next level credentials. Okay, let's start with netcat, because I like the sound. I like the name netcat. What are you doing for living? I'm using netcat, you know. Cool. Oh my gosh, what is this? Connection refused. Oh yeah, because there are a lot of because we are basically scanning 1,000 ports and most of them are closed. But here is, for example, yes, we have succeeded. How can I filter? Only successful one? I think I can do it with grep, not gleb, remember, yes, but with grep. But of course I do not remember syntaxes, absolutely, yes. Let's Google about grep. Let's do it let's do a combination of ChatGPT for a quick start, you know, and Google for like some additional research. Linux filter results with grep. Yes. How to use grep commands in Linux to filter values in line. Okay. Grep. Oh yeah. I need some, you know, grep tutorial. Gleb reads gleb tutorial. Grep tutorial. I need that's really basic stuff actually. The OS Techniques. Okay, Nix, like, yeah, Nix systems, Unix. The grep command tutorial with examples for beginners. Yes, I'm a beginner. I'm really humble here, yeah. Grep hello world. Oh, that's it. As you see the above sample grep Nix. As you see the above output, we got two words that contains the matching pattern. Yeah, and I just need to match what? To match succeeded, I think. Yes. Let's see. Yes, succeeded. I want only succeeded ports, and there is not that many here. And then I use pipe. Yes, pipe, and here grep and succeeded. Oops. Okay, not working. Let's see how to use it. Grep. Yes, I used pipe. Okay, let's Google like this. Combine grep with NC. Yeah. Grep not matching in NC output. That's completely my problem, actually. Cool. Grep succeeded. That. Thank you. It was combination of my impatience and grep and NC behavior using the command below on my Raspberry Pi. Why it doesn't work? Okay, let's ask ChatGPT how to filter outputs of NC command using grep. I need to catch only lines containing succeeded, and let's do it like this: containing succeeded. Yes, you can use command and see. Yeah, I think the missing part is 2 greater than %1, and I'm a bit familiar with this stuff because actually I have some knowledge about Linux. The 2 greater %1, I don't know how to read it in English actually, and in Russian also, redirects the standard error output to the standard output. The standard error output to the standard output, so that it can be piped to grep. Oh yeah, yes, I remember that in Unix systems they have like different kinds of output, and here we have like output of errors. Actually, ChatGPT, why don't you give me this at the first place? You know, why I have to ask your additional questions? Don't you understand what I want to do? It's like, it's not fun, you see? Bam! I'm a cool hacker, you know. That looks really cool. And so I have found 5 listening ports. And now I have to check which one of them, or which how many of them are listening to are speaking SSL. Which of them are speaking SSL? And to do this, to check which of the open ports use SSL, you can use the command OpenSSL. Let's do it. Port, where port is the specific port number. This will connect to the server and display information about the SSL certificate, including whether or not the connection was successful. Oh yeah, but what if I want to do it automatically? Yes, I think I can write some command to extract port number from this message, and then kinda use this line as a template and put this port here. But that's really advanced. I want to do it manually. I hope it's not that difficult. Oh my god. Connected. No peer certificate available. SSL handshake verification. Okay. Cipher none. Secure renegotiation is not supported. Compression none. Verify return code 0. Okay. So that means it listening to SSL. I don't know. Oh, let's try another one. 31 518 5518. Bam. Yeah. And this port is listening to is using SSL. So here is a secure connection, as I understand it, and now I can submit a password here and try to get back the password for the next level. I will do it. Will do. Like this. Bam. See, it returned same password. So that's not our guy. Yes, that is not what we want. So I disconnect from this server, from this port, I should say, and then try the next one. And the next one is what is this certificate? And the next one is 31691. Not listening. Okay. Not using SSL, I mean. Next one. So hopefully yes. And now I can try to submit the password again. I stored it in another window. Bam! Here is the private key. Oh yeah, correct. Begin RSA private key. So I have to store it. And I will do it like this. I will create a new window here. That's my machine, CD, and I will CD to desktop. And here I will create nano. Okay, just nano. Here is I paste the private key, and let's see if everything is okay. Yes. Now I do write out like this. Bam, file name, SSH key, level 17 level. Okay, and exit. Bam. ls, yes, here is this key. Let's check it. Cat ssh, yes, here is the key, and that's it. Now let's connect to the next level. New window, make it bigger, and here I have the command. Yes, here is the command ssh desktop. Why ssh desktop, and yes, bam, password. Wrong permission, yes, and I had this problem last time, so we just have to change the permissions. We can do it like this. Desktop. I'm really becoming a hacker, you see. Yeah. What's wrong now? Unprotected private key. It requires bad permissions. Okay. More information on. So I have connected, but it requires the password. Maybe it requires bandit. Why bandit? Oh, of course. I'm just yeah, I'm stupid. I have to change it to bandit 14, of course. Bandit 17, yes, and not 14. Yeah, here we go. I'm on the bandit 17. Bandit 17. Let's see. Yes, next level. So, level 16 was not that complicated. I cracked it. There are two files in the home directory, passwords old and passwords new. The password for the next level is in passwords.new and is the only line that has been changed between password olds and passwords new. So we have to display a difference between two files, I think. Note, if you have solved this level and see bye-bye, then when trying to log into Bandit 18, this is related to the next level, Bandit 19. Okay, all right. Let's see. Yes, here is the two files. Oh, they are quite long. So okay, let's ask ChatGPT, because that should be really simple. I think much more simple than a previous level. ChatGPT, please generate your answer quicker. I need your help. I need your help. I can Google it, but why Google such stupid questions? You can do it really fast. Okay, so I think that I have to Google because ChatGPT is not working right now. And let's refresh. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Yeah. To find password for the next level, you can use command diff to compare the two files and see the specific line that has been changed. The command to compare the two files would be, yes, simple as shit. Let's try it. So, oh yeah, password new. That's, I think that the first one is the password old, and the second one is password new. Yeah, that makes sense. The is in password new in passwords.new. Yeah, so that should be password for the next level. Copy, and that's bandit 17. Okay. Oops. Plus plus plus. Password. Oh yeah, bye bye. They told me so. Bye bye. Then trying to log into bandit 18. This is related to the next level. Let's see. So here is the, yeah. The password for the next level is stored in the file readme in home directory. Unfortunately, someone has modified bash rc to log you out when you log in with SSH. Maybe I should copy this file to my machine, or that's same as connecting via SSH. I don't know actually. It's been, yeah. I'm not sure. Gleb, do you Kaggle? No. I don't like it actually very much. I did it for practice, yes, but not as a Kagler. You see, like I'm not participating in competition and compete for kind of master, grandmaster, etc. I'd rather do YouTube videos, you see. Oh, by the way, I ignored Sylvia's comment. I just didn't see it. It's bandit 14 level. Yes, thank you. You spotted it. Thanks. Maybe we can write ChatGPT from scratch at today's stream. Lol, yeah. Maybe, you know, because today you can find a lot of videos named like making perceptron, making neural network from scratch, you see, and they're programming the perceptron there. So maybe in say 50 years YouTube will have a lot of videos named let's do write chat GPT from scratch in 5 lines of code, of course. Yes. Yeah, so wait for the future. Okay, so how can I do it? So my idea is to use SSH copy, but let's ask ChatGPT, of course. To find password, you can try the following steps. Log into the system using a local console or another method that does. ChatGPT, why are you so slow? Okay, let's refresh. Only one message at a time. Okay, there was an error generating response. Okay, let's refresh again. No. We are experiencing extremely high demand. I don't care. I need the answer. You see, I got a real problem. ChatGPT, why? What are you doing? What are you doing to me? I'm addicted to your help, actually. I don't want to Google. I don't want to figure out myself what to do. I just want to have my answer. That's it. Please. Okay. One more time. Oh yeah. Phew. You can try logging in with SSH using the T option, which forces TTY allocation. What? Bypassing the bash rc file. You can also try logging in with the F option. Oh yeah, that's the cool option. In many situations, you see, you just say the F word and the problem is solved. You see, which tells SSH to run fuck it option, you know, which tells SSH to run the command in the background and not allocate TTY, whatever it is. Another option is to try logging in as a different user, cool, who does not have a modified bash rc file, or use a different system to access the file containing the password. And that's interesting that ChatGPT, because I had a suspicion that ChatGPT just find real answers to this game, because I think that there is a possibility that it was trained on some blog posts about this game. Yes, and then when we ask questions from this game, ChatGPT just spits out these pieces of from these blog posts with solutions. Yeah, but this answer shows us that it is not true, because ChatGPT offers another option here, yes, to connect with a different user, and we do not have such an option here in the game. Yes, we have only one user here. We have, I mean, specific user. Yes, when we connect, we use Bandit 18. Yes. So let's use this T option, and then maybe F option. That's it. Password, and Do I have password? I just bandit. Where is the password? Oh my god, I lost the password. Here is the password. Whew. And bandit, yeah, here. Bam. Bye bye. So let's try the F option. Cannot fork into background without a command to execute. Okay. F option, yes. With a T option, which forces a TTY allocation by passing. Maybe nope. Enjoy your stay. Bye bye. Okay, let's Google it. Log out, but I think we will get this specific question. Someone has modified a bash rc to log out. Modified bash rc to log out. Let's Google it like this. I don't know, ChatGPT didn't help. Login without running bash profile or bash rc file. Yep. Accept cookies. I think your only option are SSH in another user and sudo to your account. Use something like FTP or SMB client if the relevant services are enabled on the host. Find an open vulnerability in an open network service and exploit it. Lol, really lol. Get an admin to fix the problem. So you see, there is no option to use this T flag. So that seems like bullshit from ChatGPT. Oh, here is the T flag actually, and maybe that is not bullshit because a lot of upvotes here. Yes. So maybe I just have to put it in front of in front of this command. Yeah, let's do it. -T. Bam. Permission denied. Oh, maybe something wrong. Bye bye. Okay, let's and here is the okay, and what if I put it here like this? -P, and I just forgot the number. Tips. Welcome. 2220. 2220. Like this. Yes, it's asks password and then log out. And here they also use this line. Let's try it. Oh, one moment. Access denied. It's like in Hacker Movie. Yeah, I'm in. Cool. Readme, cat, readme. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so cool. LOL, of course, yeah. I need for the next stream. I will find some hacker music, free hacker music, of course. Yes, to not because I don't want to get strike from YouTube. By the way, I had a stream, and I wanted music because I did breaks between during the stream, and I just type in YouTube search free music free of copyright, and found a long video, I think maybe 4 or 5 hours, and I used it during the whole stream. And after the stream was finished, I get strike because that was music with copyrights. Cool. So never trust YouTube video which says that this is copyright free music. Lesson is learned. Okay, let's log in into Bandit 19, I believe. Yeah. Yep. Here we go. I'm here now. Yes. Oops. Yeah. Next one. To gain access to the next level, you should use the setuid, binary in the home directory. Execute it without arguments to find out how to use it. The password for this level can be found in the usual place, etc bandit path. After you have used the setuid binary. Okay. So binary basically is a program. Yes, but I can see it. Here is something else, and I think that's because sometimes we play this game along with other gamers, and we see the output of their commands. I think so, because where is the file lsal, for example, and here, yeah, only one file, bandit 20 do. Okay, and I cannot see the set UID. It's simply not here. Let's look to this directory and see what we have here. cd ls. Yeah, the password should be cat bandit 20. Permission denied. cd cd home. Where is my home? oops. Oh, cd bandit 19. Yes. Ls, here is this strange file. Okay, let's run it. Bandit 20 do. Oops, command not found. Oops, one more time. Where is the, oh yeah. How to run a binary. Linux, how to run a binary. How to run binary file in Linux. Execute, use, so I have to use a full name, full path. Binary file name to run Linux from the shell. Yeah, got it. So I have to do it like this. / and now bandit do run a command as another user. Example. Okay. Maybe ID 20 like this. Invalid option D. Maybe I. No such file or directory. Help. Okay. I'm going to get some help. Yeah. What is this? Bandit 20 do usage NV option. Okay. Set each name to value in environment and run command. Mandatory arguments. Username. Debug. I don't understand it at all. Some gobbledygook for me. Set each name to value in the environment and run command. Mandatory arguments. Two long options are mandatory, for short options too. And actually I just, this file is not corresponds to the task. So I have to Google, the solution actually. Medium, yes, here is the solution. Let's look. Yeah, so helpful reading material, set UID, the Unix access rights flag, set UID and set ID short for user ID. Solution. I have to use it to so this command is just a built-in utility, and I can use it. So yeah, that's correct that I have bandit 20 minus do here, and I have to do something with it, but it's really cryptic. Password of bandit 20, we have told yes. That's the binary file. We can see that the file called and then we list the details of the file. So the binary file can executed by the current user, but it's owned by bandit 20. Yes. To run an executable file, we just need to specify its name along with location. Okay. The file is in the current working directory, so we can use yes. And here is yes, we get this error. The file tells us that it allows us to run a command as another user. Let's see an example of running a command as another user using the id command. id bandit do id. Bandit cat. We observe that when we use the binary file, we are assigned the UID for bandit 20 as well, which means we can run commands as if we are bandit 20. Now we know we can run commands as bandit 20, so let us use the binary to access the password for user bandit 20. That's something really strange. ID. And after this, so now if we run this, we receive the password. So I think my hacker career is over, because I don't understand a shit here. What's going on? Or maybe it's just stupid level. In cases like this, when there are two options. Either you stupid or the problem stupid. I usually choose the problem. So let's give me another chance. Let's log into bandit 20 and hope that task will be not like this. Bandit 20 password. Cool. Let's see. Let's close these tabs. Oh no, set UID again. There is a set UID binary in the home directory that does the following. It makes a connection to localhost on the port you specify as a command line argument. It then reads a line of text from the connection and compares it to the password in the previous level, bandit 20. If the password is correct, it will transmit the password for the next level. Note: try connecting to your own network daemon to see if it works as you think. So yes, I think my career of a hacker has just ended. It's like I don't understand what's going on. Okay, let's try to do something. So su connect. This program will connect to the given port on localhost using TCP. If it receives the correct password from the other side, the next password is transmitted back. Subconnect port number. And what port number should I use? Control Z. That's nice. Nice tip. It makes connection to localhost to. Oh. It then reads a line of text on the port you specify. So I have, yes, at first I have to figure out what ports is listening. So I think we can use netcat for it again. So where is this? Let's just generate this again from ChatGPT, and yeah, but I don't have any idea what range of ports to scan. In previous problems, we were given the range of ports, and in this task we are not. Unix job control. So I think, yes, my career of a hacker has ended today. I will just see what how can we solve this level. A little bit of theory. Echo and yeah, let's see. Task. There is in the home directory that does the following. Yes, that I understand. Netcat or the NC was introduced in level 15 to create a server on localhost. The L flag, which means listening, is needed. To specify a port, the P flag is needed to create a one-time server, a server that sends one message and then disconnects. We can use the pipe. If a command needs to be run, but you don't need to interact with it for a while and want to keep using the same terminal with other commands while the command is executing, you can use ampersand. The ampersand will send the command in the background. This is a part of the Linux process management. So I'm completely lost. But you know, until this level, it was kind of manageable. Until level 19. But after this level, starting from this level, it's just nonsense for me. It's too complicated, I don't know, tedious. So I think that's today is the last stream about this game. Yes, I'm learning a little bit of hacker stuff, but I don't want to get into it very deeply. It's actually too complicated. And let's actually explore. That's the beginning level of the game. Yes. So the bandit is the first one. What about, for example, Behemoth? Oh, that's kind of short. It's short. There is no information for this level intentionally. So you have to be a real hacker to hack this level. Okay, there is no information for this level also. Yeah, nice game, no information. So you see, I think that you have to extract the information from here. Oh, no information at all. Cool. So and how I supposed to start. So I only given a host and the port. That's it. So I have to somehow hack into this machine. So I'm not given a password. Interesting. Formula 1, let's see. Same stuff. So they do not give you any information. So you have to perform, the quest of hacking these machines. Okay, let's see about the second level. That's quite long. Username level 1. Description is also only username and host. Yes. So guys, I have to make a confession. I'm not a hacker, really. So next time I will do something else. I have some project in mind. See you next week. Thank you for coming. My name is Gleb. I'm glad to meet you, and I'm not a hacker. Bye bye.